Hi everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte we're going to learn how to form the future tense in Slovak language. Also, we'll show you some examples and typical phrases used with this tense. You can find a link in the description where you can download the document with this lesson. Let's start! Začíname! In order to form the future tense, we need to distinguish between two types of verbs, perfective and imperfective. You can check this video about the perfective and imperfective verbs to understand the difference in details. Broadly speaking, we can say perfective verbs are used to express an ended action and imperfective verbs are used to describe ongoing actions or habits. The perfective verbs can only be used in past and future. First, we'll describe how to form the future of imperfective verbs. To create this, we just need to use the verb být, to be, in future tense, plus the corresponding infinitive form of the imperfective verb. The verb být in future is as follows. Ja budem, I will. Ty budeš, you will. On, ona bude, he or she will. My budeme, we will. Vy budete, you plural will. Oni budú, they will. Then to say I will wash the car, you can say ja budem umývať auto. Another example is they will clean the house. Oni budú upratovať dom. Now, how to form the future of the perfective verbs? Just as we mentioned, this type of verbs uses their regular form, meaning a finished action in the future. Therefore, there is no need to add or change anything. For example, she will wash the car. Ona umie auto. I will send an email. Pošlem email. There is one irregularity with the verb ísť, to go, since its future tense is like this. Ja pôjdem, I will go. Ty pôjdeš, you will go. Ona pôjde, he or she will go. My pôjdeme, we will go. Vy pôjdete, you plural will go. Oni pôjdu, they will go. Now it's your turn to practice. Try to say the following verbs in the future tense. He will send the letter. The action is finished. On pošle list. They will be washing the car. The action is not finished. Oni budú umývať auto. You two will be cooking tomorrow. The action is not finished. Zajtra vy budete variť. Great practice! We hope you learned a lot with this lesson. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about these verbs. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos and don't forget to subscribe! Bye! Ciao!